Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok dark mode option not showing. So if you want to change your TikTok into a dark mode, but you seems cannot find the options. First, you need to make sure that your TikTok apps is on the latest version. So you can find it by going to the Play Store, and then here just find TikTok. Okay, so if your TikTok is not up to date, there will be this update button, and Google Play Store will ask you to update the app. But you can see this on my TikTok, it says open. So my TikTok is on the latest version, and after you do that, you make sure that it's on the latest version. You can adjust here, try to clear the cache of the app. So you can just long press on the TikTok app and go to the app info. Here you can go to the storage and cache, and here you can try to clear by clearing the cache on the TikTok apps. Now it's 0 byte, and you can try open the TikTok again, but if it's still not working, you can just try to clear the storage, but it will make you log out of your account, so you need to re-log in. Or you can also try to uninstall and then reinstall the apps. And after that, you can try, after you reinstall the app, you can try opening your TikTok apps. You can go to your profile. Here you can see my TikTok is currently on the dark mode, and you can go to the three lines icon, click on the settings and privacy, scroll down until you find this display option, and you can see this is the dark mode on TikTok. Or you can also use the device settings. If your device is on the dark mode, it will follow it right away. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.